Near a pedestrian crossing, when pedestrians are waiting to cross the road, you should A. Sound horn and proceed. B. Slow down, sound horn and pass. C. Stop the vehicle and wait till the pedestrians cross the road and then proceed. Answer C. Stop the vehicle and wait till the pedestrians cross the road and then proceed. The following sign represents A. Stop. B. No parking. C. Hospital ahead. Answer A. Stop. You are approaching a narrow bridge. Another vehicle is about to enter the bridge from opposite side. You should A. Increase the speed and try to cross the bridge as fast as possible. B. Put on the headlight and pass the bridge. C. Wait till the other vehicle crosses the bridge and then proceed. Answer C. Wait till the other vehicle crosses the bridge and then proceed. The following sign represents A. Keep left. B. There is no road to the left. C. Compulsory turn left. Answer C. Compulsory turn left. When a vehicle is involved in an accident causing injury to any person, A. Take the vehicle to the nearest police station and report the accident. B. Stop the vehicle and report to the police station. C. Take all reasonable steps to secure medical attention to the injured and report to the nearest police station within 24 hours. Answer C. Take all reasonable steps to secure medical attention to the injured and report to the nearest police station within 24 hours. The following sign represents A. Give way. B. Hospital ahead. C. Traffic island ahead. Answer A. Give way. On a road designated as one way, A. Parking is prohibited. B. Overtaking is prohibited. C. Should not drive in reverse gear. Answer C. Should not drive in reverse gear. The following sign represents A. No entry. B. One way. C. Speed limit ends. Answer B. One way. You can overtake a vehicle in front. A. Through the right side of that vehicle. B. Through the left side. C. Through the left side, if the road is wide. Answer A. Through the right side of that vehicle. The following sign represents A. Right turn prohibited. B. Sharp curve to the right. C. U-turn prohibited. Answer C. U-turn prohibited. When a vehicle approaches an unguarded railway level crossing, before crossing it, the driver shall A. Stop the vehicle on the left side of the road, get down from the vehicle, go to the railway track, and ensure that no train or trolley is coming from either side. B. Sound horn and cross the track as fast as possible. C. Wait till the train passes. Answer A. Stop the vehicle on the left side of the road, get down from the vehicle, go to the railway track, and ensure that no train or trolley is coming from either side. The following sign represents A. Pedestrian crossing. B. Pedestrians may enter. C. Pedestrians prohibited. Answer A. Pedestrian crossing. How can you distinguish a transport vehicle? A. By looking at the tire size. B. By color of the vehicle. C. By looking at the number plate of the vehicle. Answer C. By looking at the number plate of the vehicle. The following sign represents A. Keep right side. B. Parking on the right allowed. C. Compulsory turn to right. Answer B. Parking on the right allowed. Validity of learner's license. A. Till the driving license is obtained. B. 6 months. C. 30 days. Answer B. 6 months. The following sign represents A. U-turn prohibited. B. Right turn prohibited. C. Overtaking through left prohibited. Answer B. Right turn prohibited. In a road without footpath, the pedestrians A. Should walk on the left side of the road. B. Should walk on the right side of the road. C. May walk on either side of the road. Answer B. Should walk on the right side of the road. The following sign represents A. Horn prohibited. B. Compulsory sound horn. C. May sound horn. Answer A. Horn prohibited. Free passage should be given to the following types of vehicles. A. Police vehicles. B. Ambulance and fire service vehicles. C. Express, super express buses. Answer B. Ambulance and fire service vehicles. The following sign represents A. Roads on both sides in front. B. Narrow bridge ahead. C. Narrow road ahead. Answer B. Narrow bridge ahead. Vehicles proceeding from opposite direction should be allowed to pass through A. Your right side. B. Your left side. C. The convenient side. Answer A. Your right side. The following sign represents A. First aid post. B. Resting place. C. Hospital. Answer C. Hospital. Driver of a vehicle may overtake A. While driving downhill. B. If the road is sufficiently wide. C. When the driver of the vehicle in front shows the signal to overtake. Answer C. When the driver of the vehicle in front shows the signal to overtake. The following sign represents A. First aid post. B. Resting place. C. Hospital. Answer A. First aid post. Driver of a motor vehicle shall drive through A. The right side of the road. B. The left side of the road. C. The center of the road. Answer B. The left side of the road. The following sign represents A. Hospital. B. Resting place. C. First aid post. Answer B. Resting place. When a vehicle is parked on the roadside during night, A. The vehicle should be locked. B. The person having license to drive such a vehicle should be in the driver's seat. C. The park light shall remain lit. Answer C. The park light shall remain lit. The following sign represents A. Road closed. B. No parking. C. End of speed restriction. Answer C. End of speed restriction. Fog lamps are used A. During night. B. When there is mist. C. When the opposite vehicle is not using dim light. Answer B. When there is mist. The following sign represents A. Narrow road ahead. B. Narrow bridge ahead. C. Roads on both sides ahead. Answer A. Narrow road ahead. Zebra lines are meant for A. Stopping vehicle. B. Pedestrians crossing. C. For giving preference to vehicle. Answer B. Pedestrians crossing. The following sign represents A. Railway station near. B. Level crossing unguarded. C. Level crossing guarded. Answer B. Level crossing unguarded. When an ambulance is approaching A. Allow passage if there are no vehicles from front side. B. No preference need be given. C. The driver shall allow free passage by drawing to the side of the road. Answer C. The driver shall allow free passage by drawing to the side of the road. The following sign represents A. Entry through right side prohibited. B. Entry through left prohibited. C. Overtaking prohibited. Answer C. Overtaking prohibited. Red traffic light indicates A. Vehicle can proceed with caution. B. Stop the vehicle. C. Slow down. Answer B. Stop the vehicle. The following sign represents A. Crossroad. B. No entry. C. Hospital. Answer A. Crossroad. Parking a vehicle in front of entrance to hospital. A. Proper. B. Improper. C. Proper if no parking sign is not provided. Answer B. Improper. The following sign represents A. Restriction ends. B. No entry. C. No overtaking. Answer B. No entry. Where the slippery road sign is seen on the road, the driver shall A. Reduce the speed by changing the gear. B. Apply brake. C. Proceed in the same speed. Answer A. Reduce the speed by changing the gear. The following sign represents A. May turn to left. B. Compulsory go ahead or turn left. C. Side road left. Answer C. Side road left.